Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Side of the body, try to lean, high chin lean, gap chai, fold your knees, one by one, continue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Sung, 5, chai, 5, chai, right side, left side, right side, left side. Lean up, high chin lean, tutu lean. Right side down, left side down. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 5, chai, 5. Hit bow, high thigh, lean, high chin lean. Yes, come to boat posture. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we are going to 30-second come to plank pose. Very good job. Your body should be straight. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Come to plank pose, everybody. Now right knee touch to right elbow, left knee touch to left elbow. Come on, turn. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right knee touch to right elbow and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Change your leg. Left knee touch to left elbow. Very good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please come to child pose. Relax and relax. Relax and relax. So we are going to now opposite direction. Left leg touch to right elbow, right leg touch to left elbow. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right leg chin fire. Yes, go. Right leg chin fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Same. Left leg outside of the mat and right hand all the way up. Very good job. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Please come to child pose again. Relax your body. So drop your both elbow on the back side. Now we are going to ABS workout. Hit bow. Inhale. Raise your leg up. One by one. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Right side, left side twisting, right side, left side, right, left. One more time, Len.
Now bring your right leg outside of the mat, outside of the left palm, and slowly inhale.
3,
left hand all the way up.
1,
and you have to stay here another 5 count
2,
here.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same change. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Drop your feet down. Side, left side, right side. Okay, lie down on the back. Namaste. Fold your knees. Now 20 count. We go to up and down. Raise your both hand up. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Right side, left side, 5, chai. So raise your both leg up first. Inhale, raise your hands up. Up, 1. Come on, continue touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stay. Stop. Land and stay. Move. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Now hug your knees. Hug your knees. Land soon. Roll and sit. Rock and roll. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Namaste. Lie down on the back. Right side. Relax your ABS. Left side. Right side. Left side. Right. Left. Relax. Thang tai thang chung. Nyamak lai. Straight your hands. Legs apart, hands apart, and close eyes.